video, we were talking about the settings that you need to do before starting using your WordPress. Okay, so on this part, I'm going to continue with the settings. Okay, so as I said earlier, you have to go to settings. Okay, you were done with the general. Okay, and then the writing, I think we did it. Okay, but the most important is the permalink. For me, is the permalink. What is that permalink? The permalink is actually how your link will show up in the search engine. So you need to actually work on it. And one way that I actually choose it is the custom structure. Okay, is the custom structure. And you know, a link is a bit somehow not nice. Okay, it doesn't show much. It's not really nice when it comes with the year, the month, the day, and all those stuffs in it. So I most of the time delete, okay, all this part off. So I'm left with a post name. Okay, this means that all my links will show something like blogging with viewer.tk slash the title of my post. It's really important. That is why your post, when it comes to SEO, we talk about that. Your post should always, okay, your post should always bear the keyword that you want to rank for. Though you can add certain things from here, but like the categories and all these things. But I always like to have it straight forward like this one. So you choose the custom structure, you delete those words and add it here. But you can manage it the way that you want. What is important is how you should rank in the search engine. Okay. Now when I come here, I don't think I have, you see, I don't think I need to add certain things. I want it that way, straight like this with a post name here. So I'll click on my save settings. Okay, save changes. Okay, now that that is done, you can go back to anything. Well, for the privacy, let's get to know what is there and explain things to you. Yes, you need to create a privacy policy page. You can see it from here. So you can use this page or you can decide to create one. Okay, nice, it is updated, but you need to show it on your website so that people who comes there will get to know what the privacy policy you have. Okay, so I always like this. Use the page here. Already they've written something there. You can add it, you can edit it. Okay, then let's go to media. With media, you can have your own settings here, but it's normal, it's nice to have it like this. Okay, the sizes listed below these are the maximum dimension in pixels. So adding an image in the media library. Okay, so that is it. But you can work it out according to, right, according to the term that you are using. So it's not bad. You can actually work on it whenever you pull in the website. The image. Okay, then the uploading the files, you should organize my uploads into month and year based order. You can do it something like that, but it's normal this way. Okay, you can decide to take it off. So all goes inside. Just to scroll through, pick the image you want to pick, and that is all. Okay, now let's go to discussion. The discussion here talks about the comments and other stuff. Okay, so you need to, okay, you can see from here already they comes with their own settings. Okay, yeah, but here there are certain things that I would take them off. Okay, so email me whenever anyone posts a comment. You can decide to have that, but it can flat when you have a lot of people commenting. It can flat your email. Okay, so you can take it off. Then before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved. I like this option because some robots will at least give you a comment, and you will think, well, if it's not ticked, they will just go up there and they will be giving you bad, they are spammers. So with links and all those things, it will destroy your your authority there, your SEO too. Okay. The comment author must have a previously approved comment. Okay, not bad, but I always take this off because a new person can do the comment for you as well. Then hold a comment in the queue if it contains two or more links. Hold a comment in the queue. Okay, if it contains two or more links, well, it's also good. Some people are only there to promote their links. Okay, so this is also better. And all that you need to do is just go through, okay, then do it. Just something that you think will help, okay, help, you just can do it that way. But I think most of the things are here. Enable threaded nested comment 5. Okay, show comment cookie option checkbox, allow comment other cookies to be set. Okay, then comment author must fill out names and email. It's good. It's good. And then what again? Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post group. Allow link notification from other blogs, being back trap on new posts. Allow people to submit comments on new posts. It's also good. So after that, come and save your changes. Now let's go to reading. So these are actually what? Now this place you need to be, well, do you have any static page you want to show up? Okay, yes, this is generally a one page. From there, where people can actually link from, like you have certain articles link from that page to other pages on your website. Yeah, then you can decide to go on your latest post. It means that whenever you post, they will come at the top. So whenever people go there, they will see the new post, they will see the other post as well. Well, I like that particular part because it's nice. Now, whenever you get a bridge, you become so good, you can create a one page, then link, okay, from that page to the other pages. You understand? Yes, on that particular page. So on that particular page, all that happens is that you have everything there. People click on it, then you come to that specific blog post. Okay, so it's just a static page. You can do that. You just need to pick it up and then select it from here, which of the page you want it to show as your home page, and then the post page and all those stuff. So blog pages must show at most 10 posts. Good, you can decide to make it more. Okay, but it's 10, it's okay. They will go to the next page, to the next page, to the next page. But the most important thing here is that each blog post should link to other posts. As you write, try to interconnect the posts all together. It's very good for CEOs as well. So let's say you are writing about what is blogging, then you write while writing, you come about the power of blogging. Okay, you can link the power of blogging post. So whenever the person click on it, the person goes to a post you're written about the power of blogging. You see, so it's very important. One post should connect to at least a certain number of posts. It's like, it's good. You can connect to almost all sorts of posts from one post. When the person gets to the other post, it is also connected with other kind of posts, and it's also good. So these are all, okay. These are all very good, very good. Then search engine visibility. This one you need to leave it. If you click on this part, it's going to discourage search engines from indexing this website. It means that people won't find you in their search engine. So leave it this and click on save changes. Once that is done, you go to writing. In a writing, well, uncategorized, fine. That is whenever you write a post and you didn't add the category to come here, it's fine, because you always need to choose the category on which this post is going. So if you post as a standard, well, you understand, as a standard is fine. Classic editor or blog editor, that is good. You can choose the blog editor, but I like the classic editor too. It's fine. Allow users to switch editors. Can also be that whenever you have certain users who are working with on your blog, you can allow them to use both. Okay, they can decide which one they want to use. So this is actually when you want to post to your website via email. You write article, then you post to the WordPress, and WordPress will save it as a post. Okay. Now this is actually the update site. Whenever you list them here, anytime you post a website, sorry, a post, okay, an article. These people will link it up on their website and it will bring you a sort of traffic. It's very good to try it out too. So you can go online and then write write it down, something like uh, well, update services or posts. Well, you can even use related. Okay, that's how I was doing related sites to Pingomatic, something like that. Other sites like Pingomatics, and it will show you whenever you get them, you come and list all of them here. And anytime you you post a blog article, it goes directly online. They show it up on their website. So this helps other people on those sites to also click and come to your website. Okay. Now the general, I think last time in our other video we said something about it. Okay, this is how it's done. Okay, the time and all these things. Well, that is good. So this is actually about the settings. Okay, yes. Now that you know about the settings, it is good. So you can go back and set up well your WordPress website. Don't forget this website is made specially. Let's say this playlist is for you because I have other playlists about different topics. And for here, it's to help you set up your WordPress website. Soon we'll be talking about well, how to change the appearance of your website. We'll talk about certain plugins. We'll talk about how to create pages and even how to set the header and all those well, how to set the headers, how to even send medias like photos, videos, audios to your WordPress website, how to actually write your articles, okay, how to do a lot of things with your blog, okay. So I am happy that you made it up to this part, okay. Let's wait for the next video, but before that, you must check if you're a new person on my blog, sorry, you're a new person on my channel, okay, actually this playlist, kindly subscribe to the playlist, okay, yes, subscribe to the playlist. After that, don't also forget, okay, don't also forget to leave a comment if you have any question. Also, like the video if you like it, okay, anything you think will help improve this channel, you can do it. If you have some other friends, you can send a link to them, let them subscribe to it, so that we all learn something new wise in this lockdown, this epidemic stage. Okay. So thank you for coming by, and let's meet in our next video.